Click Balance on the left menu, then click Deposit. Enter the deposit amount, select Payment Method, then select Bank Account for the deposit. Enter the purpose in the drop-down menu, Comment, then click Confirm. Then this page would show the trade details, including the deposit amount, its respective currency, the payment method and the deal day. If everything is correct, click Confirm. There is a pop-up window would be shown to show the funding instruction. Please remember to include the 6-digit reference number in your bank transfer. After finish the transfer, click on Upload Deposit Reference to upload the bank slip. Then click Done to complete the process.